Hello everyone, and I welcome all of you to Online Study for You, a complete placement solution. This is Pratik Srivastava here, founder of Online Study for You. Friends, in TCS NQT, we have almost 25 days, and each and every minute, each and every hour, and each and every day has become very important for us to crack TCS NQT. So in this video, I am going to tell you the strategy, the tips and tricks which you can use it for cracking TCS NQT examination, because most of the students are just studying. See, just studying will not help you. So instead of hard work, we will have to do smart work. We will have to identify which are the topic which are very important. We will have to identify the type of questions which we need to study. We'll have to find out how exactly we have to proceed on daily basis. So each and everything I am going to discuss in this particular video. Now, friend, the first and foremost things. So when you are preparing for TCS NQT examination and when you have, almost 25 days, then how exactly you should proceed. So first find out the most repeated topics. That means, see, you will have to put some effort, or you'll have to take guidance from someone, or we will guide you which topic you should spend more effort. See, there are many people who put more effort on mixer and delegation, time, speed, and distance. Friends, see, in examination, no, there will be very less probability that you will be solving or you will be able to solve questions from this topic, right? So here you do not have to put much effort. See, I'm not telling you leave this topic and then go and write the exam. No, what I am telling you is you spend more time on topics like simplification, percentage, data interpretation, quadratic equation, statistics, right? So in these topics we have to work hard, right? Work more, because here, no, questions will be also more, and you will be also able to solve it if you put effort. But mixer irrigation, if the questions will be twisted, you might not be able to do. Time, speed, and distance, if the topic will be twisted, question will be twisted, you will not be able to do the question in the exam. So please try to understand. Now, similar things goes for reasoning. Okay, so reasoning, you have to practice more on figure based problems, sitting arrangement, right? Because the questions will be more from this topic, coding, decoding. So these topics you have to take it seriously, right? See, there are many topics like direction test, so hardly you will see questions from direction test, right? So you have to identify which topic is going to give you more marks, right? I will tell you, friends. So numerical ability in foundation section, you will be having 20 questions. So even if you do 7 to 8 questions, no, like I'm telling you the examination which had happened on 15th of Jan, 9th of Feb, right? So their student had done 7 to 8 questions and they were qualified in the examination. But definitely off campus, there will be many students applying, so we need to be very careful, right? So we have to score as much as possible. So leave that topic, I mean, keep the topic at the end where the number of questions are less, or even after putting a lot of effort you will not be able to score good marks, right? Or you will not be able to solve in the exam. This you need to understand it, right? Reasoning ability, see, your numerical ability will be moderate to difficult, right? So moderate to difficult. Your verbal ability will be easy to moderate, okay, and your reasoning will be of moderate level. So you have to think in attempting more and more question, because in off campus definitely there will be a lot of people who will be applying. It is open for all tier 2, tier 3, and even few tier 1 colleges as well, right? In advanced aptitude and reasoning also 14 questions will be there. At least you have to attempt. See, you have to attempt as much as possible. Somebody says, sir, how many questions I should attempt? No, that question you should not ask. See, because it depends upon the cutoff, right? So it depends upon the cutoff. So it's not like the cutoff is fixed 50 to 60%, right? And also the cutoff will be normalized cutoff. So this we will talk later. So what is that normalized cutoff? And advanced coding, whatever 2 to 3 questions you have, so you also have to solve the question here. Then only you will be getting digital and prime, right? So selection of topic is very important. Now coming to the topic, we have to put effort on daily basis, right? See friends, don't run behind the tricks. First make your base strong. if we have the quality, if we are doing this kind of question, see, quadratic equation question, this kind of difficult level of the questions we are doing right. And also if we'll go and see, so there are a lot of results which we have given in the past and now also. So many of the students has cracked different examination, and definitely this is all happening because of the team which we have, right? So, and also friends, we don't charge more because we know at present your situation, a student who has already spent you know a 4 to 5 lakhs rupees in engineering, it will be difficult for him to even pay you 100 rupees, right? So earning money definitely is not our this thing. See, we just want our teachers to pay so that we will be continuing with the classes till 25th. We are going to do the classes for you, live classes, and already recorded videos, mock test, WhatsApp group, so many things for you. So friends, the first thing which I told you, first try to find out the most important topics. Okay, practice question from a scoring topic, so from where you can score and you can solve questions in exam, right? Okay, reasoning will always help you to score more, so you have to practice more and more reasoning so that your score at least will be more. Okay, and reasoning also we need to put effort on sitting arrangement, figure based problem, so that test series, right? So a lot of problems we will do even on YouTube live and on our classes, right? So TCS NQT crash course, we will do number of problems, so there is no doubt in that. Okay, now daily practice aptitude, reasoning, verbal ability, and coding. So this you have to practice on daily basis till 25 days, right? So daily one set. Okay, so at least one topic you do reasoning, and don't solve questions from a single topic. Like suppose if you are going through simplification video, now you are studying only from the simplification, you are solving only simplification question. No, now the time is not there to solve topic wise question, right? So how I told you this test series, if you'll see, right? So I'll just show you this test series. If you'll see, this test series level 1 test series, right? So here we have question from percentage, we have question from profit and loss, and then we have question from data interpretation, we have question from time and work, right? And then if you go down here, we have question from simple and compound interest, right? So a lot of topics has been covered, right? And definitely you have to do, and even the options and the answers has been given so that you will be able to practice more and more, right? Okay, so that's the reason I said daily you have to practice, and you have to get hold of your basics, solve every question from the basics, right? See, now I know you need tricks, right? But if your basic is not good, then even though if I teach you tricks, right, you will not be able to solve other questions. So please keep that in mind. So along with your basics, you have to work on tricks. Okay, topics like, as I said, mixed relegation, time, speed, and distance, give less importance, right? And you have to give more importance on topics like simplification, percentage, DI, quadratic equation, statistics, time and work, right? So these are the topics which will be more important for you. In reasoning, figure based problems, sitting arrangements, coding, decoding, blood relation, so these are the topics which are very very important, right? And divide time on daily basis for every topic. Practice from the classes, practice from the group where we are doing more number of questions on daily basis. This is your pattern, you have to stick to it, and you have to score as much as possible. So divide your time today itself, right? So from April 1st till April 25, right? 25 days. So let's suppose you have 25 days, and in that 25 days, so 1st of April, what are you going to do? 2nd of April, what are you going to do, right? See, the ultimate thing is you should be able to crack TCS. That's all, right? So in that, you'll have to plan, okay, aptitude, one topic or one test series, right? Reasoning, same thing, one topic or one test series. And then verbal ability, don't take it very very easy, otherwise many of the students will not be even able to clear verbal ability, right? Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and live mock test. So this you don't ignore. And quality, definitely you will be getting, because if you don't know something, you can't see. If you are not good at coding, you can't crack you know the software development engineer at Flipkart, right? So in Infosys, TCS only we will not be able to crack. So you understand. And it's been 11 plus years I am working in IT industry, and more than 4 to 5 years teaching only for placements. And earlier it's been like 11 years total, 15 plus years of teaching experience I have. So all those things, friends, definitely matters. Somebody has cleared code vita, and then they are definitely teaching you. So we have a lot of faculties available here who are going to help you in crack TCS in just 25 days. And after that, I want you to send a message that, sir, I have cleared, on WhatsApp or on our chat. And definitely join this WhatsApp group. So this you will be able to join after this crash course, right? So once you get into the crash course, so these are the 25 days plan. Take it seriously, because each and every day is going to be very, very important. Focus on the topic, which is scoring, and where you will be able to get the marks. Thank you. Take care, and all the very, very best.